Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Pink color, purple color, green color, chocolate color, orange color, red color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Triangle, heart, star, trapezium, cross and circle. First we are going to draw the shapes. Triangle, heart, star, trapezium, cross, circle. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, triangle, chocolate color, heart, orange color, star, chocolate color, trapezium, purple color, cross, pink color, circle, what we learn? We learn green color, triangle, chocolate color, heart, orange color, star, chocolate color, trapezium, purple color, cross, pink color, circle. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.